नीलांशु जी की प्रदर्शनी जो है बहुत सुंदर प्रदर्शनी है। इसमें आपको तरह तरह के चित्र दिखेंगे, मिक्स मीडिया भी हैं, धागे का प्रयोग भी, एम्ब्रॉयडरी का प्रयोग भी इसमें किया गया है। बचपन की बहुत सारी यादें इसमें हैं और जैसे कि ज्योतिष जोशी जी बोल रहे थे कि एक औरत का मर्म जो है वो औरत ही जानती है, उसकी संवेदनाएं अलग तरह की होती हैं और उन संवेदनाओं को उजागर करने के लिए इसमें बहुत सारा पक्ष जो है वो रखा गया है अपना। आशा करूँगा कि ये प्रदर्शनी बहुत सफल हो, सक्सेस हो, क्योंकि देखने लायक प्रदर्शनी है। ऐसी प्रदर्शनियों को अगर प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा तो देश के आर्टिस्टों के लिए, कलाकारों के लिए अच्छा होगा। धन्यवाद।
I am very delighted to this exhibition, Mrs. Nilanshu solo show IIC NXC is showing. I am very happy to see her works. This is my first time, but I could see her works, mastery of illustrations, technically excellency and color scheme. Altogether, it is a very game of skill as well as its application of mind. There are figurative works, there are some abstract works. Abstract works with a lot of conceptual ideas about the, as the other artists, art lovers mentioning, a lot of inside of a femininity and life of a woman, and it's fantastic. This is worth visiting and seeing, and probably it encourages every sensibilities to grow up. I wish you all the best for the Nilanshu.
मैं आज़म खान, बहुत अच्छा लगा एग्जीबिशन देख के। जो मासूमियत एक औरत के मिजाज में होती है वो सब इसमें तस्वीरों में बच्चे की मासूमियत और वो सब चीज़ें देखने को मिलती हैं। कलर पे जो पकड़ है और जो बारीकी है नज़र के अंदर, वो सब उसके अंदर दिखाया जाता है इनके काम में।
I'm Vani, a friend of Rafiq's and Nilanshu's, and I've been invited for Nilanshu's first solo exhibition, and the expression on my face should tell you all that the paintings are indeed delightful. Many of them feature children, and the themes of childhood and their joyfulness is very clearly reflected in her work, and it's very interesting and creative. Some of the works are like something which I've never seen before. Truly delighted to be here. All the best, Nilanshu.
It's such a pleasure to come to Rafiq's wife's show. I've been a great fan of Rafiq's work, and I have a huge collection of his works, and they adorn my house, and they're in my studio, they're in my other house, and now I discover his wife. I mean, what an amazing, varied body of work she has, which is truly amazing. It shows the journey of a woman and through various phases in life, and I think, I mean, she's really come a long way from those early works of hers to the works right behind me. And there's so much of detailing in each of these faces, and they're truly amazing works, especially the self-portrait that she has, which is also truly amazing. And I like her compassion, I like her idea of women emancipation, the things that she talks about, the street children. I mean, the traffic light, how a traffic light is used in that 3 minutes. I mean, वो बच्चे निकलते हैं, वो जाते हैं, वो बेचते हैं सामान, and then it turns green. So it's beautiful. The whole concept, the thought behind the composition of these works. There's a lot which has gone into it, and as you delve deeper into the body of work, you realize, I mean, how much strength they have. They have, and how much woman-oriented they are. And it's truly remarkable. I mean, we talk in terms of women emancipation through these works, and it reflects. Thank you.
मैं अज़ीज़, रफ़ीक का दोस्त, और मैं नीलांशु की पेंटिंग देखने आया हूँ यहाँ पर। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आकर, और बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग है, बहुत अच्छा हाथ है इनका। आई लाइक इट वेरी मच।
मेरा नाम बिनी है, एंड मैं जस्ट accidentally I've come into the exhibition because a friend said we'll meet here, but आके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है। इतनी हर आर्टिस्ट की अपनी एक जर्नी होती है जो इतनी यूनिक होती है, and you can see there's so many expressions in this exhibition of a single person. They seem to be very personal to the artist, and so much you can see of her own roots perhaps. So much is woven into the whole tapestry that it's really very, very engaging and very interesting to see. I wish Nilanshu all the best.